So good afternoon, my dear student. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to lead the last part of the chapter pollution of social studies. That is the case studies of different types of pollution. So in this part, we will be learning the different situations that are going to happen under case studies. Okay. And they are cases related to water pollution, air pollution, and noise pollution. So if you want to know the detail about what is water pollution, what is air pollution, and what is noise pollution, you can watch the previous parts, part 1. And if you want to know about the waste disposal, you can watch part 2. So why we read case study? To know about the real situation of the pollution, that is water, air, and noise pollution, so that we can understand what are the effects of this pollution to our surroundings. So it is very important to know about this case studies. So let's move forward. Okay. The first case study will be based upon water pollution in Koleru Lake. This is Koleru Lake. Okay, this lake is Koleru Lake, and this Koleru Lake is present in Andhra Pradesh. Okay, this is Koleru Lake, and this lake is situated in Andhra Pradesh or located in Andhra Pradesh. Why it was polluted? It was polluted by human activities. And what kind of pollution we see here? We see here water pollution. That you can remember. That can come as a question. That what pollution is seen in Koleru Lake. You can also identify as lake is a water body. So obviously there will be water pollution. What was the cause of the water pollution? That is human activities. What human activities? That is wastewater released into the lake. Wastewater from different industry or household domestic wastewater was released untreatedly into this lake. What it caused? It caused harm to the aquatic animals. The water creatures that is present in this lake were harmed. Means many of the aquatic animals were killed. Many of the aquatic animals died, and some aquatic animals are there, but they are very dangerous to be consumed. मतलब हम उन्हें नहीं खा सकते जो इस लेक में है, उनके अंदर हार्मफुल केमिकल्स ये सब जा चुका है, तो हम लोग यहाँ इसको इस लेक के जो भी aquatic animals है, फिश है, वो खा हम लोग नहीं खा सकते. वो next is what bird creatures. You know, near the lake many birds also come to take rest or feed water, but they are no longer bird creatures seen on this lake. These are the effects of the water pollution in Koleru Lake. Okay, so let's move forward to lead the next case study. Okay, so you people were, many of you must have known about Delhi air pollution. Okay, what is Delhi? Delhi is the capital of India. So in news also you can see that today the roads in Delhi are not visible due to smog, and smog means smoke plus fog. What is smog? You write, very important. This is not there in your course, but still you remember. What is smog? Smog means fog plus smoke, in which smoke amount is maximum. Fog plus smoke. Smoke from different industries, automobiles, and all. So they form what? They form smog. So there is an regular increase in air pollution in Delhi. The Delhi air is 7 times more polluted than the safe air. Means it is very, very bad condition in Delhi. What will it cause? It will cause air diseases like asthma, and other problems. So you may see most of the Delhi people were suffering from this kind of problems. Why? Because of bad air, because of air pollution. So what is the main reason? Due to the air pollutant released from the vehicles, and also industries are also present, and also some other agricultural regions are also there. So this is all about Delhi air pollution. The last case study is noise pollution in the city of Mumbai. Okay. Noise pollution in the city of Mumbai. You know, Mumbai is the financial capital of India. Mumbai is the financial capital and also considered as the largest city of India. There is a fluctuation always between Delhi and Mumbai, but remember that Mumbai is the largest city of India and also it has a very high population. Okay, it is a metropolitan mega city. Okay, so you know, as population is high and all the people are coming in under a good economy, so all people have vehicles. So what happens, due to these vehicles there is heavy traffic on the road. Mumbai traffic is one of the most famous thing in India. It is a very chaos thing for India, that is Mumbai traffic. So this traffic cause a lot of noise pollution. Okay, it is the most hectic thing in India. That is also called the famous thing in news. It is one of the most famous topic, noise pollution in Mumbai. So what is the highest record? That is 83.20 decibel. Now this dB is called as decibel. That is unit of sound measurement. Sound हम इससे measure करते हैं, dB. That is called as decibel. Decibel. So 80 decibel is considered to be a high sound and lowest is 77.37. It is also a very large sound, not small. So above 60 decibel, we consider it as a noisy sound. So 77.37 is also a huge, also a big noise, huge noise, and 83.20 is the highest recorded. So there is a lot of sound coming from this traffic of Mumbai. And what is MPCB? MPCB means Maharashtra Pollution Control Board. So the levels are more than set by MPCB. मुंबई में इतना ज्यादा पोल्यूशन है कि एमपीसीबी जो लेवल सेट किया है डेसिबल का, उससे भी कहीं ज्यादा है. ओके, सो what is the last point? What are the steps that you can reduce? Green muffler. Now we will understand what is green muffler. You see that these two sides of roads, we can put trees over here. Trees over here. Trees. Trees can be put over the sides of these roads so that it will act as a sound absorption. You know, trees absorb sound, so it will act as sound absorber. Okay, and noise pollution can be reduced, and also by public transport system, that is bus, local trains. Although local trains are there, but PTS, that is public transport system, is a very good method, so we can control noise pollution and also we can control air pollution. Okay, so my dear children, for today this much. We will meet in the next class. Please do like and subscribe the channel, and please share to your friends who are in help. And I assure you this is the best material you are getting. So thank you. Take care. God bless you. Bye bye.